Stunning, never lived in, and professionally decorated, this 3-bedroom, den, 2 and #XBD, bath, single-family home is for you. The Shelby floor plan is the largest offered in DR Horton and #X 2019, brand new community Tamarindo. It is over 2,200 square feet under air and has a 2-car garage that is 32.6 feet deep. Plenty of room to store your golf cart, bikes, motorcycle, kayak, canoe, or even a 3rd car. This smart house has an open floor plan that is well designed and flows nicely from room to room. There is plank tile throughout, meaning no carpeting. Stunning quartz countertops are in the kitchen and bathrooms. It is furnished including the 5 flat-screen TVs. The house is very private with a lake view in front and a preserved view out back. The community of Tamarindo is a quick drive to downtown Naples and the beach, with easy access to I75 and Marco Island. The amenities include a beautiful pool, pickleball, bocce courts, and gym, and is only a short walk from the house.